Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of toys and collectibles. Today, we're excited to share with you the new Ghost in the Shell toys from Bandai Spirits, set to release this January. Quick heads up, this is for educational purposes, so always do your own research.
That's right, and we've got our hands on some of the most anticipated toys from the series. From action figures to statues, we'll be taking a closer look at what makes these toys so special and why you'll want to add them to your collection.
For those who may be new to the franchise, Ghost in the Shell is a classic sci-fi series that has captivated audiences for decades. With its rich storyline and complex characters, it's no wonder why it has become a staple in the world of anime and manga.
And now, with the release of these new toys, fans can bring the world of Ghost in the Shell to life in a whole new way. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, these toys are sure to impress with their attention to detail and high-quality craftsmanship.
So, let's take a closer look at what's included in this new wave of toys. We've got a range of characters, from Major Motoko Kusanagi to Batu, each with their own unique accessories and features.
One of the things that sets these toys apart is the level of detail and accuracy. From the intricate designs on the characters' suits to the realistic facial expressions, it's clear that Bandai Spirits has put a lot of thought and care into creating these toys.
And it's not just the characters themselves that are impressive, the packaging and accessories are also top-notch. Each toy comes with its own unique box art and inserts, making it a great addition to any collection.
Now, we know what you're thinking. Are these toys worth the investment? In our opinion, absolutely. Not only are they a great way to showcase your love for the Ghost in the Shell franchise, but they're also a solid addition to any toy or collectible collection.
But don't just take our word for it, let's take a look at what some of the other fans and collectors are saying about these toys. We've got some testimonials and reviews from around the web that showcase just how excited people are about these new releases.
And if you're thinking about getting your hands on these toys, you'll want to act fast. They're set to release this January and are sure to sell out quickly. We'll be including a link in the description below to where you can pre-order them, so be sure to check that out.
Now, let's talk about the different types of toys that are available. We've got action figures, statues, and even some exclusive releases that are only available through certain retailers.
And if you're looking to complete your collection, you'll want to keep an eye out for some of the rare and limited edition releases. These are sure to be highly sought after by collectors and fans, and are a great way to add some extra value to your collection.
But what really sets these toys apart is the attention to detail and care that Bandai Spirits has put into creating them. From the packaging to the accessories, it's clear that they're passionate about bringing the world of Ghost in the Shell to life in a whole new way.
And as a special treat for our viewers, we've got an exclusive look at some of the upcoming toys and releases from Bandai Spirits. We can't reveal too much just yet, but let's just say that fans of the franchise are in for a real treat.
So, what do you think about the new Ghost in the Shell toys from Bandai Spirits? Are you excited to get your hands on them, or do you have some favorites from the franchise that you're hoping to see released in the future?
Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. We've got a lot of exciting things planned for the future, and we can't wait to share them with you.
And as a final note, we want to thank Bandai Spirits for providing us with these amazing toys to review. We're excited to see what the future holds for the Ghost in the Shell franchise, and we can't wait to share it with all of you.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to pre-order the new Ghost in the Shell toys from Bandai Spirits.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools for business and making money content. And if you want to dive deeper, you definitely need to watch our video on how to automate your life with AI next. The link is right there in the description. See you in the next one.